twist your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. I want you to talk to me. Can't get your tongue